Millions of men over 50 struggle with weaker erections, but very few know that by stimulating a single area of the body with natural oil, performance can return in a natural way. Before we dive in, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with other men who may need this. And stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal exactly how to target this overlooked spot for maximum results. Now, many men believe that once they cross 50, weaker erections are simply a natural part of getting older and there is nothing that can be done. This belief is one of the biggest myths holding men back. The truth is, science tells a very different story. Yes, aging brings changes. To the body, testosterone levels may decline, circulation can slow down, and nerves may become less responsive, but that does not mean decline is automatic or permanent. What most men do not realize is that the body is designed with a remarkable ability to adapt and restore itself when given the right support. Studies from leading medical institutions show that men well into their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can still enjoy strong, healthy erections. The key difference is not their age, but how they care for their body. Proper circulation, nerve health, and tissue flexibility can all be improved naturally through very specific practices. In other words, weaker erections are not caused by age alone, they are caused by neglecting the systems that keep blood flow strong and sensitivity sharp. So the myth that aging equals inevitable decline is simply not true. When you know where to focus and apply the right natural methods consistently, your body has the ability to recover, and you can experience firmer, more reliable performance than you may have thought possible. Medical research has made it very clear why so many men experience changes after 50 and why recovery is absolutely possible. For example, studies published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that the flexibility of blood vessels decreases by nearly 40% in men over 50. This reduced elasticity makes it harder for blood to flow freely into the penile tissue, which is essential for achieving and maintaining a strong erection. But here is the encouraging part. Research also demonstrates that these blood vessels can be retrained and strengthened with the right natural methods. Just like a muscle that becomes stronger when you exercise it, your circulatory system responds positively when you stimulate it correctly. Neurological studies also show that nerve endings in the pelvic region may become less responsive with age. However, evidence from clinical trials proves that regular stimulation of certain areas can actually reactivate nerve sensitivity, increasing pleasure and performance. And perhaps most importantly, Harvard Health researchers have confirmed that men who actively support their circulation and pelvic health experience significantly better erectile function regardless of age. In other words, science proves that decline is not a one-way road. With proper care, the body can reverse much of this process naturally. Erections depend on 4 key factors: blood flow, nerve sensitivity, pelvic muscle strength, and hormones. When blood vessels stiffen with age, circulation weakens. When nerves lose sensitivity, arousal signals slow down. And when pelvic muscles weaken, it becomes harder to trap blood and maintain firmness. This is where castor oil helps. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it penetrates deep into tissues, boosts circulation, reduces inflammation, and nourishes nerve endings. By massaging it into the pelvic region, you increase blood flow, restore sensitivity, and support stronger, more reliable erections naturally. Real-life application: clean and warm wash the perineum, dry gently, and warm a teaspoon of pure castor oil in your hands. Massage: apply the oil to the perineum and massage in circles for 2 to 3 minutes with gentle pressure. Add heat: place a warm towel over the area for 10 minutes to boost circulation. Routine: start 3 times a week, then increase to nightly if comfortable. Do daily pelvic floor squeezes, 10 reps, 3 sets. Eat leafy greens, beets, and healthy fats. Stay active, hydrated, and manage stress. Track your progress over a few weeks and notice changes in firmness and sensitivity. Stay consistent, because small daily habits build lasting results. Castor oil works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle that supports blood flow and pelvic strength. Men, I want to hear from you directly. Have you noticed changes in your morning erections since turning 50? Would you consider trying this simple nightly castor oil routine to see what kind of difference it makes? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, because your feedback not only helps you stay accountable, but also helps other men who may be dealing with the same challenges. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel, Man Health 360, for more science-based strategies to keep your body strong and healthy after 50. Share this video with a friend, brother, or anyone you know who could benefit from practical information about men's health. In my next video, I will show you 3 natural foods that help maintain strong testosterone levels after 50 without relying on medication. These are simple foods you can add to your meals right away, and they can make a big difference in your energy, mood, and performance. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss it.